right, welcome to day 25. Day 25, and I'm shocked that I have not gone behind yet. I'm actually gone behind. No, this is day 25. I'm sorry. The actual, never mind. Day 25. So, as I say, I'm shocked that I have not fallen behind, but I'm thinking after the day I might fall behind. So, I've had a number of people asking me to do things, more tutorial videos, because they missed that, and that's what my channel was based on. So this drawing challenge was just for me to just get off my tail and draw more. So what I'm gonna do a quick face, because I'm weak at faces, because I've been doing more anatomy than faces. So I'm gonna do faces, and then I'm gonna do like 100 hands, not on camera, but just a personal thing. And then I think the next 5 will probably be more teaching videos, because I've had a number of requests for things that people wanted to learn. Okay, so as I said, I'm weak in faces, so I'm going to do this in pencil, something I really don't do, so hopefully you'll be able to see it, and it'll get darker as I go along, and then maybe do some shading to it. So, and it's going to be a female face. So, let's see what the eyes about right here. The nose about right here, and then the mouth about right here. I'll bring it down a little bit more, or out a little bit more. So it's probably going to jump into fast motion, because there's not much I have to say. And if I find something to say, I'll slow it down and then tell you what I have to say. Because it might be something important to come out of all of this. So, fast motion. now you see me keep turning it and turning it. That's because, as I said, my overhead light, fluorescent light, puts a real shine on this. Let me see if I can actually show you what I'm seeing. It's really faded. It's even faded more than that. I don't know if it's going to show up in editing, but for the sake of time, and because this is supposed to be a drawing a day, and as I say, for the sake of time, I'm not going to continue to finish this. I'm going to do a little bit more to it, and I'm going to cut it here and maybe finish it another day. Maybe, I don't know. I've got so much stuff on my plate. So I didn't really think I was going to get this detailed into it. So as I say, I'm going to go a little bit more on it. I don't know if you're actually picking up the actual gradation on this thing. Gradation, is that the word? This blur, I don't know if you've seen that blur. That's kind of like what I'm seeing, so I have to adjust it so that I can actually see it dark like this. So anyway, I'm gonna finish this bottom lip and go for a few more minutes. It's been 43 minutes actual time, but you're gonna get the speeded up time, so it's probably gonna be like what, 10, maybe 15 minutes, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, back to the drawing. So I'm going to call it a day on this one, because if I keep shading, then I have to get gloves or put paper across it, and then, you know, that's no way to film because you won't be able to see what's going on. So, you know, I may finish this one day. I don't know. I always say that. I may finish it. You know, I may not. But for the time being, I'm going to call this one the end of day 25. 25, 24, 25. I think it's 25. Yeah, so yeah, this is gonna be it. Let me shut this light off. Maybe you guys can see a little bit of tone, a little more better. And then yeah, that's gonna be it for 25. And as I say, I may finish this one day. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And as I said, because of the time to doing something like this, if I finish this would probably take me about 2 days. You know, I mean, if I could just sit here all day and do that, but I do have work, so yeah. So I'm gonna call it the end of the day. I'm starting to ramble. So I'll see you tomorrow.